In January 2008, SKF introduced the industry's only all-inclusive rebuild kit for preset hub assemblies. The SKF rebuild kit for preset contains everything needed for successfully maintaining the wheel end and returning the truck to service. One of the most advanced wheel seals in the heavy-duty industry, the ScotSeal Plus XL offers excellent exclusion properties and compatibility with synthetic lubricants, but it's most known for its easy installation by hand. The two SKF half-stand tapered bearing sets in the rebuild kit for preset are precision manufactured with dimensional tolerances specified by ConMet. The bearing's superior design and materials reduce friction and provide excellent reliability under heavy loads and misaligned conditions. Additionally, SKF tapered bearing sets have been approved as an OE component in the preset hub assembly. The precision-machined preset spacer is manufactured of a high-strength alloy to precise tolerances. Ultimately, this spacer eliminates the need for manual end-play adjustments as well as the use of a dial indicator. SKF's TF hubcap provides increased protection to the preset hub. It is made of DuPont Zytel, a lightweight material that is stronger than aluminum and resists chemicals, UV and ozone, and other over-the-road contaminants.